The people in here is nice and very, very good experience in here because everybody is...
They are very friendly.
Yes, friendly.
Very good to work with them. Our shows, this is kind of 3 weeks. And then our rating
and share.
we raise very good number, 20.7. Such a good number of ratings in Indonesia.
Yes.
And they very like our TV show, and the audience want to come again and again to join with our segment per segment.
Yes.
We share happiness to the people. It's a good TV show. It's not only a TV show, it's a life.
Maybe the other station will copy and try to compete with us. But I think Bulaga Indonesia is the masterpiece in Indonesia. They said the bossing in Philippines is handsome. Okay, and then I think I'm more handsome than Boss Fix. Do you agree?
You agree with him?
Please agree.
Take our pencil. My boss is handsome than Philippines boss.
It's okay naman. Ano na siya? Mabait siya. Alam mong sikat na sikat yan sa Indonesia, no? Very famous, pero hindi mo siya makikitaan ng kahit konting ere. Parang ako. Marami siyang talent, multi-talented.
And also, we feel sorry for a victim of floods.
Yes.
We feel sorry for your loss. And of course, we always pray for the victim of the floods.
In Manila.
Yeah, alam nila kasi nung schedule silang pumunta rito, eksakto naman na meron tayong konti problema sa bayan. Tayo naman kasi, nagpadala rin tayo nun nung ma-tsunami sila kung natatandaan nyo. So, a few years back, no? So, bigayan lang yan At kami naman natutuwa na hindi nila tayo nakakalimutan na tulungan.
This is our first time in Manila, Philippines. It's so good to be here. It's so honor to perform on It Bulaga, Philippines. It's pleasure to work with them. And hopefully our TV show, It Bulaga Indonesia, will raise good numbers, good rating every single day. And hopefully our citizen will love us. Will love our TV show.